Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the kitchen, just servicing the Dapol N2 tank locomotive. I'm quite surprised looking in there. One, there's an open frame motor, which is always my favourite kind of motor. Even though they're noisy, I prefer them over can motors. Look at this humongous piece of metal inside for the weight. That's where it's getting all their weight from. So I've added a little bit of extra weight to her. There's a hollow section right through the smoke box. Yeah, smoke box. So I've put a little bit of extra weight in there. She's had a service. I think I've probably done more with this engine than the previous owner. She is, yeah, she's in really good nick. Yeah, I reckon I'd put more mileage on this. And the back pony truck, I'm going to add half of a 2p piece to the underneath of there. You won't see it when it's, well, it's going to be underneath, so you won't see it. And somebody's added some lead shot, look. That's not me. So, yeah, onwards and upwards. I'll take her up in the loft and we'll get her back on the oil train, I think, because she's done a splendid job before, so see you in the loft. Oh, there's something else I'm going to try and do before I go in the loft. Is sort this tricks out, so she'll become a member of the oil tankers as well. So this is a British Tricks. Hell knows how old it is. It's not as old as the tin plate Hornby that's on the front of the oil train, on the front of the tanker train. That must be almost 50s, but runs perfectly. And this, well, we'll find out when I put some couplings on it. So see you in the loft in a little while. Hello and welcome back to the loft. It's Alan in the loft, Buckland Junction. These two are ready to go. I've been sitting there all night waiting. I just got to sort this little lot out first. Yesterday's derailment, so I'll just get this lot sorted and then we'll have a bit of a run around. It's quite late in the evening. I think it's coming up for 7 o'clock, so I'm not doing any statics, but I do want to run a few trains today, so it's going to be a very, very short video. Well, maybe not, but we'll give it a go. Back in a moment when we're all ship shape or rail shaped. What are you talking about? Out of all my tankers, this one is the oldest. This is a Hornby 00. It's got a fully cast metal chassis. It's really heavy. It's tin plate. Its rivets are all drawn on. Printed on. They're not real rivets. And it really runs well. The wheels are cool. They go through all the new Pico points, and yet this is any guesses? Before 1960, this is a 50s model, I reckon. It glides like anything. It has got D's on it, and it does show underneath where it had its oh, there's that blinking thing there. I've been looking for this. Give me it here. Stop being naughty. Now you've got carriages falling off. Oh no. Right, I'm going to have to I'll back in a minute when I sort this little lot out. That's the S15's hook coupling, and then NEM pocket. No, hook. Shut up, Al. Okay, I've had a bit of a swap around. I've managed to get everything back on the rails, so that's that sorted. I've put the N2, I think this is the N2, back on the milk run, or on the tankers run, look. So she's had a service. She's had extra weight added to her. Let's see how she goes. Sometimes after a service you end up with more problems than you started with. So there's the driver. I've re-glued him back in. He's a white metal. He's made of white metal or lead, one of the two. He's even got a badge on his hat. Yeah, he's a really nice driver. Hello, driver. So, well, let's take him away first then. Let me see if I can get the right control. I'm miles away from the control, so See how we get on. That's the milk tankers, I mean the tanker train away. Right, B12, let's get you going. Let's get you going. Good girl, look at that. How lovely is that? She's away now. Right, I think we'll have, who's what have we got next? I think, yeah, we'll have the S15 next. She's been put on lighter duties with the old Triang train. So she's up and away. That's good. And now, I can hear something off already. Something is not right. Well, that's a lot lighter for you than 18 tankers, isn't it? Yeah, this is cool. She seems happy as well. She's had a spot of oil in her service. She seems to be going okay. And she is stronger than the S15. 2 minutes in, and what have we got? Yeah, we got a derailment. I had this before and I swapped this coach around and the problem disappeared. So let me try that. Oh, hello. Oh, it's busy here. It is busy here. Very busy here. I'm sitting in the service hatch where I should be actually doing some wiring, but my thoughts on the Daypol are, well, yeah, it's not a badly made machine. I don't like all the plastic parts, but I suppose that's modern life, isn't it? So let me swap this one around and I'll be back. I'm sitting in the service hatch where I should be wiring, but I'm not. I'm playing trains again. There goes the Terrier. She seems to do it nicely. The S15 is having to put up with the gradients up and down on the branch line. And there she goes. She seems to be enjoying having a light load. Okay, no coming off. Alright, hang on. Is there anything coming? No, not for a while. There she goes. Oh, who's this? The B17 with the parcels train. That's about 3 laps now without any hiccups. Why have I said that, you fool, you? Here comes Dapo. I'm quite happy with this train now. Hello, driver. Yeah, this is what I should be doing, all this wiring, but I'll keep putting it off and keep putting it off. And all the time the service hatch is open, I've lost these 2 circuits. I haven't had a train round here for ages. I'm really kind of quite missing it. But, I wonder when this station will actually get its platforms and everything. Probably not round until till autumn. No, nothing coming. Nothing here. Oh, is there? Yeah, that's the B17. I think the tracks are starting to get a bit dirty again because there's a definite stall there. Let's have an examine. Ready? Dirty? Yeah. I should have put the high Mac and on the back of the cleaner and sent her around. So we'll live with it for today. It's only going to be a short video. I haven't had my dinner yet. But This is where all the tracks converge onto the station here. So who we got now? We got the little terrier. Well, up there goes the terrier, Mr. Go terrier go. It's so quiet as well, that little wagon, that little engine, she's lovely. Oh, that's good timing. Nice steady pace. Oh, I can hear something else. It's got to be the B17 there she goes. Overtaking the S15. Wow, it's busy. Only trouble with 4 lanes running. Some engines behave themselves really well and others are problematic. Ooh. No wheel spinning, unlike you who's come off the track again. 3 times she's off already today. She's starting to get up my nose, so we're going to take her off and put Ginty back on your duty because you're a problematic locomotive, you are. We give her one last chance. Why can't you be good like the Terrier and the B17? Why do you keep falling off the rails? Yes, there we go. One more last chance. Something squeaking on this little train here, don't know what it is. Right, where's Miss Problematic? Where are you? Are you coming yet? Right, I've really had enough of you today. So you can go on the shelf. You and your stupid NEM pockets and falling off every set of points. I'm going to give the job to a real locomotive. We brought out the mid-60s Wren. She's the same as the black locomotive. Yeah, exactly the same, apart from there's could be anything up to 10 years difference, but it's exactly the same mechanics. Very well put together model. I think they were sought after in their day, so he hasn't been run for way over 2 weeks, so come on, don't let me down. Oh, one look at that for 60s. Look, I'm really impressed. It's quite a heavy train for her on these gradients, so we'll see how she gets on. smooth. I think that's the R1 if I'm right. I do forget. You can see the gradient, how steep that is. Ooh. Oh, that was good timing. Way, there goes the wren flying down the gradient. Who's coming next? Yeah, we're coming next. That's the terrier. Oh, who's coming next? Oh! Look at this for control, everyone. Look at this. Look. Look at that. Oh. Well, that's the stars for today. The B17, the N2, the wren. Now, what is that? I've forgotten already. A R1 and the terrier. So go on, terrier. You can take it away first. Oh, that's a good girl. There's something squeaking there. Okay, wren, off you go. I mean, I can't believe that. I just can't believe her. Okay, off you go then. You've had your service and you're doing a bloody good show there with all those tankers. And last but not least, okay, that's Alan in the loft. I've got a battery light flashing. I think my memory's full and it's getting late, so I'm going to shut down now. Thanks for watching. It is a short video. That's Alan in the loft going to the kitchen for a beer. Take care, everybody. See you soon. Bye.